It's 11:20 p.m. and today I'm eating chicharrón with guacamole, salsa, and a jarrito. A comer. Let's see what we got in here. Y este jarrito es de piña, guacamole, salsa verde. And these are chicharrones, carnudos. This is a chicharrón. First, let's try it without the salsa. A comer. Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. Si tú no le muerdes, yo le muerdo. I've been craving this for the longest, and I've never had it before, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna dip it in the salsa, then dip it in the guacamole. Why does that salsa smell like metal? This is pressure though. They also gave me los salsa verde. I know this one's gonna be spicy. Let's see. Take a bite. I am starving though. It's gonna be one long ass video if I continue. So this is what we're gonna do. Sodita, jarritos, piña. Damn, boy.
Cheers.
Peace.